What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over what I think is the best bang for buck piece of equipment that I've bought in the last year. Okay, so you guys are probably thinking this has something to do with either a lens or a monitor or a camera body, but it's actually to do with audio, and it's the Tascam DR-10L lavalier mic that I'm using right now. So in the office that I film these videos in, it's all hardwood flooring, there's no carpet, and the walls are pretty bare. So with my Rode shotgun mic, I noticed it was very echoey, tinny, and I just did not like the sound of it. So rather than spend a fortune on soundproofing the room or a better shotgun microphone, I decided to look into a lavalier mic. Now my friend Noah had recommended the Tascam DR-10L, and basically all it is a lavalier mic that has an external recorder that you put a little micro SD card in, and you are good to go. The sound quality of this has significantly improved my videos, and I'm forever grateful for that. So it's an affordable lav mic I got on Amazon for I think $275. So not only can I record two audio tracks, one being at 6 decibels less than the primary, but it's so compact, it has its own micro SD card to it, and once I get into Premiere Pro, it is super simple to just synchronize both audio tracks from the camera and this lav mic. I've definitely noticed this is one of the biggest improvements in my videos over the last year, has been audio related, and many of you have even asked me what I use to record my audio. So I would definitely say that the Tascam DR-10L is the most bang for buck, coming in at only $275 and having drastic improvements that come with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lav mic and just show you what an in-camera audio would sound like as opposed to the lav mic. Alright guys, so now I'm just using the in-camera audio coming from the Sony a7R III. This is no shotgun mic, just only the in-camera microphone, so this will be by far the worst. And now I'm going to switch over to the Rode Video Mic Go that I have on top of my camera right now. So this is the cheaper of the two Rode mics, and it's just directed right at me right now, but you'll still notice that it's very echoey and tinny because I'm in a bare room with hardwood floors. And now we're back to the Tascam DR-10L, which shows significant improvement. I really cannot express the value to this microphone. Hopefully you guys can hear it for yourselves, and by all means let me know in the comments below if you guys have a piece of equipment you think is a better bang for buck than this. But that's my opinion for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in another video. And we also have a visitor today on the show, but he's kind of sick right now. Theo, look! It's you! You're on TV! Whoa! He stinks. Yeah. He crop dusted me.